Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'd like to present you with this gorgeous Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace Life. The Tiguan comes with a 1.5TSI 150PS engine with manual transmission. It's finished in a lovely solid pure white and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side, you can see the stylish 18-inch Frankfurt alloy wheels, and to the front, the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility and automated activation. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you can see the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats and a privacy screen. Once you've finished putting your shopping away, one press of a button and the boot will close automatically. From the boot, the two rear seats can be adjusted to allow for 2 extra passengers. This is perfect for bigger families. Into your rear seating, you'll see the interior has the lovely titanium black cloth upholstery, which features a folding central armrest and cup holder combination and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front, you'll find your vent controls for temp adjustment and USB ports. Coming into the cabin, you'll find the front seats that guarantee comfort with every drive, alongside other features such as cup holders, storage inside the adjustable armrest, and a wireless phone charging station. The multifunction steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include audio, telephone, vehicle status, driving data, assist systems, and navigation. Moving on to the infotainment system, radio allows you to tune into FM and DAB channels. Vehicle shows the settings available for the car and can also provide drive data. Media offers other ways to play media, such as Bluetooth or aux. Sound allows you to change the equalizer settings of your speakers and position of audio output. Telephone allows you to connect your phone for hands-free use. The Tiguan is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Assistant will activate IQ Drive, technology that provides a safer, stress-free experience. Beneath the display, you'll find the car's 3-zone climate control. The Tiguan is also equipped with front and rear parking sensors, helping you park up with ease. The roof of the cabin features a light-up personal mirror, SOS buttons, and reading lights. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace Life that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.